What crucial issue often hinders consensus building within BRICS? Lack of common trade interests, divergent political ideologies, uneven levels of economic development, all of the above.
All of the above. Explanation. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are a diverse group with differing priorities and interests. Each of the listed factors contributes to the difficulty in achieving consensus. Lack of common trade interests. While all BRICS nations are developing economies with a desire for greater influence in global trade, their specific export strengths, import needs, and preferred trade partners vary significantly. This makes it difficult to forge unified trade positions or agreements. Divergent political ideologies. The member states hold a range of political systems. This results in contrasting perspectives on issues such as human rights, democracy, and international relations, which can impede cooperation. Uneven levels of economic development. The economic gap between China and the other BRICS nations is substantial. This disparity influences the group's agenda, with some members focused on rapid growth and infrastructure development, while others prioritize social development and poverty reduction. These varied economic realities make it challenging to implement unified policies. Since all these issues play a role, all of the above is the most accurate answer. Why the other options are less suitable? Trade interests are only one aspect of the differences hindering the group. Ideologies also present a complex and significant impediment to reaching agreement. Economic disparities impact the group's direction, but it is not the only obstacle.